Hello, my name is Jim Mullany from Sitek Process Solutions. Today is Thursday, October 26, 2023. Hopefully everyone's getting ready in the United States for their Halloween trick-or-treating. Today I'm doing a video source inspection on a customer's Semitool 880S that's been upgraded with the Sitek slick device controllers. For the privacy of our customers, because we put this on our YouTube channel for their review, their PO ends in 63409. This customer is in the United States, so it'll be an internal shipment. What I'll do is I'll review the system after I start it because it's kind of boring watching the Richard Dryer run. So I'll go ahead and hit start, then I'll talk about the options included and what we're doing on this whole project. Simply load the 8-inch cassette. 8-inch cassette. Alrighty, so this system has two options. Let me look on the back to see them. One of them is the water recirculation. I see that valve on the back of the system. And also it has anti-static modules. I've already confirmed they're in there. The serial plate is on the back. This is an 880S spin rinse dryer. It's Sitek serial number 01549, remanufacturer's date 10/2023. This project is part of a much larger project where the customer purchased multiple new machines from us. We've delivered those, and now they were sending their systems out of their fab back for a refurbishment program. All the systems we sold, plus the ones that were refurbishment, are all being upgraded with the slick device state-of-the-art controller with our light indicating system. This customer actually also is doing SexGem, so they have the slick device with the SexGem interface already built in. All right, we're doing a typical SRD process now, which is a rinse. Then there's a purge. The purge blows the water out of the DI nozzle so it doesn't drip back. Then you go into high RPM, slower duration in time, rinse, dry 1, and then you go into dry 2, which was low RPM, high duration. That's the N2 heater blankets and the centrifugal force dry the substrates. We're right now into dry 1. We're at 1800 RPM, perfectly stable. The system shows you the N2 valves on, the N2 heaters on, the bowl heaters on, and the LPP, which is low pressure purge. Our slick device controllers have built in the Sitek N2 saver module. When the customer programs this in, when they unload their wafers after a certain defined time that they select, we will turn off the nitrogen to save the nitrogen costs of idle tools. Our remanufacturing process, we go through the systems just like you were buying a system out of stock. We initially review the system, see what parts are maybe defective or broken that are not part of our remanufacturing process. We then break the tool down and start the rebuild. We do a complete remanufacturing of it. We reprocess the bowl. We do electropolishing of all the metal, critical metal parts, new tubing, new rebuilt ACR valves or remanufactured, heater blankets, door seals, windows, etc. We go through a complete remanufacturing process. What the system is doing now, it's going into dry 2, which is the slow RPM, a longer duration. You'll notice this is going to go down to 500 RPM and it's 300 seconds. So this will take about another 4 or 5 minutes to finish. While I'm waiting, I will talk about Sitek Process Solutions and our capabilities. First, we are the foremost remanufacturer of Semitool spin rinse dryers we believe in the world. We offer ST, the traditional ST models, the F models, the S models. You go to our website at sitekprocess.com and find all the different versions. We offer 100% spares. This system, everything you see in it, on it, around it, we can supply as new. New servo amps, new motors, new everything, windows, door seals, pressure switches, new control system, etc. So we can supply anything and everything on this tool. We also have complete service capability. We have quite a lot of customers sending us in on a daily basis their servo amps for repair and their controllers, the traditional 101s and 102s that we replace out of these systems because they've been upgraded. And we also do all of the traditional SD controllers, the 225, 228, 328, etc. So on the Semitool product line, we offer 100% spare parts capability on the S, ST, and F models. We also support the Vertec product line. 3 years ago, we purchased the Vertec product line. We're now the OEM. We offer complete remanufacturing. I see there's 1 or 2 double stacks being in our manufacturing floor right now. We offer spare parts, controller repairs, servo amp repairs, etc. on those systems also. As the OEM, we even have all the software to also. We got about 3 minutes to go. Rounding out our wet processing capabilities, there's 2 more product lines. One is the Floorware and Tegas HTC box washer. That's the 4000, 8000, 8010, 20, and 30. That product line is no longer supported by the OEM. We, however, support that product line fully. We have complete spare parts for hubs, spray nozzles, spray arms, controllers, heating elements, etc., all the way across the board. We can do quite a lot of remanufacturing. I know we just received an order for an HTC 8000 that will be shipped internationally that we're starting a remanufacturing process on now. The other product line in wet processing is the Ultratech K&S and Ultra T high pressure mask and wafer scrubbers. We do quite a lot of those. One just shipped yesterday. I see one behind the camera here in final test. So we do those on a regular basis. Alrighty. Just for reference on the, notice 2 things. One, now the anti-static module's on, because in dry 2, we program the anti-static module on. And then in the bull heater, amber means that now it's met the set point and it's not heating. Once it drops below the set point, it'll go green again and start heating back. Also, in our software version, the customer has the capability of turning on or off options in the different steps as they want. It's part of our programmability of the Slick Device Controller. Besides the Semitool wet processing and Vertec product line, we also do quite a lot. I see we were doing some customers' pump repairs. We do the IDI Cyborg millipore pump refurbishments. We also have complete systems out of stock. And then we also support the metrology, KLA 10-core particle counters, nanometrics tools, Gertner lipsometry equipment, deck tacks, and so forth. Again, if you go to our website at sitekprocess.com, the top left search, you can put it into something like 6220, if you know the model number, or Semitool S, whatever you might want to do as a searchability phrase, and then it'll bring up some the hits that match our site. All right, we have about a minute to go. What happens at the end of the process, it's called the rotor stop positioner. We reference it as the RSP. It will extend. It has a specific spot on the back of the motor where it'll upright to home position, which is called 12 o'clock. Once that happens and the RPMs go to 0, you probably won't hear it, but I'll hear the door release. See how it's locked now? I'll hear it release and be able to open up and take out the substrates to show you they're nice and dry. We have 25 seconds on the top SRD and a little less on the bottom rinser dryer. Here we go. We're going to start winding down now. Once we hit 70 RPM, the RSP will fire. It just did. Okay, I heard the door release, and the bottom one was in. So the end of the process, we give you a process complete, and or if there was a failure. If there's a failure, I'll explain later, but it talks about the process time, how long the whole process was. It was 460 seconds, and it was successful. To clear this screen, there's 3 ways to do it. You can hit OK, you can just open the door, or you can clear here. For the top one, I'll just hit OK. There we go. Alrighty. Nice and warm. These look great. For the bottom rinser dryer, I'll show you. You'll see the control. I'll just open the door. There you go. It cleared it. Feel for the heat. There we go. And take this cassette out. Looks great. Alrighty, that will conclude my video source inspection for a prior to ship video of this fully remanufactured, customers refurbished 880S spin and dryer. Again, my name is Jim Mullany. Today is Thursday, October 26, 2023. Feel free to also browse our YouTube channel for quite a lot of other videos on the products we support. Thank you. Have a great day.